Welcome to the session 1. So the session 1 is the explore the core principle of the EOT and delay analysis. So EOT mean extension of time. So under this main heading, we are going to discuss a lot of things. First of the general introduction about the EOT and claims. The second thing is what are the claims in the construction industry. So we have to understand some important things under this topic regarding the claim. The third one is why do claim arise in the construction project. We know very well each and every construction project there's a lot of claims arise during the project duration. So we will discuss some little bit more information regarding the claims under this topic. The another thing is the different types of the construction claims. So we know very well there's a lot of types of the construction claims are available, so we have to know these things also. The another thing is the importance of the EOT claims. So we know very well we have the project commencement date and project completion date. So EOT mean extension of time. So we have to extend the project completion date from the agreed completion date. So it is very risky and very complicated things to extend the project duration. Under this heading, we are going to discuss more things, how the importance of the EOT claims. The another thing is how often EOT claims in the construction project. So we know very well the EOT claims regularly arise in the each and every construction project. So it is very rare without any EOT claims for any project. So we have to know some general ideas about these things. Another thing is who is the responsible person to making the claims. So it is also most of the people confused who are the responsible people to prepare the claims. What is the protocol? So we will discuss some ideas under this heading. And also the process of building claims. It means we need some requirements and steps. So we have to understand how to build the claim. These things we will discuss under this topic. Finally, the common mistakes by the commercial and planning team in the EOT claim development. Under these stages, the commercial and planning team, we know very well we need very good communication between these both teams. Not only for the both teams, entire construction team during our EOT claim development. So we are going to discuss something a little bit more under this heading. So our first session 1 is explore the core principle of the EOT and claim. So let's start the general introduction about the EOT and claims. Introduction. First off, I want to tell you all again, this course we prepared full and fully practical basis. This is not only for the theory, and also most of the construction professionals, especially in the commercial and project control and the planning team members, they don't have the very confident to involve the EOT practices in the real-time construction works. So confidently and hopefully, once you successfully completed in this course, you have a very good knowledge to defend the EOT practices with other parties. So in this course, there are 8 modules are available, 8 sessions. So each and every modules are interconnected with other modules. So this is not very quick process. So we have to patient and we have to learn these things very slowly, because it is new for most of the construction professional. So you have to gain the very proper knowledge very slowly. So we will move forward step by step. What are the claims in the construction sector? So the claim means the simple definition. The claims refer the application or the request for the entitlement based on the terms and condition outlined in the contract. So this is a very important term, the terms and conditions. So we cannot submit any type of entitlement apart from the contract. So contract clearly mentioned the both parties, we can say the main contractor and client already agreed. Based on this agreed contract terms and condition, we have to submit our entitlement. So this is a simple example for the claim. And also in the construction industry, naturally it is very complicated, and also there are many parties means stakeholders involved for each and every construction project. So we can say the client, consultant, the main contractor and subcontractor and vendors and other related parties. So These all parties combine together and we have to complete some specific project, right? Apart from this, there is some constraint. Constraint mean we can say we have some limited time period to complete the project. So we have the limited time period, and also we have some specific scopes, it mentioned clearly in the contract. And also we can say we have some limited resources, and we can affected some internal risk and external risk something. So these are the factors will also affect the construction project. Therefore, these involved parties, the client, consultant, the contractor, subcontractors, vendors, these parties, they does not want to lose any additional money and time rather than the project original time and budget. In accordingly, if any parties make any mistake through the project life cycle, then this mistake will be affect the project real project completion date. So at this point, the extension of time and also the delay claims will be initiated, and also the battle of the parties, the war also created.